Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. I am on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Feel free to use the link in the video description, then you can reach our website. Here you can register completely for free and you will receive free daily Elliott-Wave updates about different markets and asset classes, including oil, the stock market, cryptocurrencies, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and gold. Today we want to talk about the stock market, and I am looking at McDonald's today. McDonald's is in an interesting position, I think. So we want to talk about that. When you register here, you get access to these updates, written updates. We've also updated IBM, Caterpillar, ExxonMobil, Warner Brothers, and previous days, Home Depot, 3M, Apple, very interesting at the moment, and so on. So you can access all of these completely for free. It usually makes sense to take a look at the long-term chart first. So we do that. We take a look at the weekly chart for McDonald's. We hide the text, and here you can see that in our primary scenario, we see McDonald's currently getting towards the end of a long-term uptrend, which we call Blue Wave 1. And within Blue Wave 1, we seem to be in a Wave 5 now. So we're getting towards the end of a cycle, and even that fifth wave, which started after Wave 4 completed here in 2020, in this Wave 5, we seem to be in Wave 5. So we're currently in the process of forming Wave 5 of 1, which means we are getting close to the end of a long-term uptrend. And this always means that it's something to put on the watch list potentially, because usually it can get very interesting and it can generate trading opportunities if we get towards the end of a cycle, which means that a turning point is close. But it can still take a little while until we get to the top of that Wave 1. In our primary scenario, which we currently assign 68% probability, we should still see the stock move higher over the coming months and maybe even years. Only in our alternative scenario, we see the price decline already earlier than expected to below $230.58. This is a support level. And this is only, however, the alternative perspective at the moment, and we assign it a 32% probability level. It would take a break below key support levels to confirm the alternative scenario, especially this Wave 2 low here, but more specifically the $230.58 level. Overall, you can see that in our primary scenario, the market seems to be moving in an ending diagonal. So Wave 5 of 5 or Wave 5 of 1 seems to be an ending diagonal here. And we seem to be moving in Wave 3 at the moment of that pattern. And in an ending diagonal, we're dealing with corrective subwave structures typically. So as you can see here, the Wave 1 was an ABC structure. Looks very much like a 3-wave move. The Wave 3 should also be an ABC structure, and the Wave 5 as well. And this is where it's getting interesting, because the shorter time frame wave count suggests currently that there is a potential for an opportunity maybe on the long side, which would be the pullback in Wave 3. So let's take a look at the 3-hour chart, and here you can see the shorter time frame wave count. You see that in our primary scenario we have recently completed, that was still in January this year, we have completed in magenta wave A, basically the A wave of that third wave that I've just shown you here on the weekly chart. So this is interesting because it suggests that after an A wave, a B wave pullback should follow. We might have started that B wave pullback, and in the primary scenario, which on this time frame we assign 66% probability, we should see the market decline over the coming weeks further in magenta wave B, which is an ABC structure itself, into our trading area between $252.13 and $274.05, with additional Fibonacci support levels at $267.37 and $257.85. In this pullback, we should also see a break below support, which is at $277.33. And then we are looking at a potential reversal in the magenta trading area. Here, potentially, the opportunity for long trades can come up, and there's a favorable reward to risk ratio If long trades are entered in this trading area, it could be a good idea to set a stop loss 1% below that trading area in case the alternative scenario plays out, or a more bearish than expected scenario. We also have an alternative wave count in which earlier than expected we are breaking up, but if this happens, specifically with a break above $311.02, it would rather suggest that the magenta A wave is still unfolding. With this shallow pullback so far, we don't see wave B already complete, so it's likely still the A wave that would be unfolding, and then in that case, this B wave pullback opportunity would happen a little later. Yeah, that's the update about McDonald's. Hope you enjoyed the update. Feel free to use the link in the description to get to our website, register for free, and then you can receive these free updates every single day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.